Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito ang pinyuling ko Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyong lagi naabangan. Sinusubaybay ang pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at gusto niyo po ating reading, don't forget to comment, like, share, click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries. Okay, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Okay? Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Sige, isang shuffle na lang. Aries at kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kamusta po kayong lahat mga soulmates kang Aries? Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 10 cards please for Aries. Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Ayusin natin. Ang dami nila na nahulog. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Please, 8 cards more. Yan, meron tayong 3. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala. Support at pagmamahal sa inyong lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi nyo po ako iniiwan. And sabi ko nga, utang na loob ko po sa inyo kung saan man makarating ang channel na it's because kayo mga viewers ang dahilan kung bakit andito ang inyong lingkod ngayon. Okay? 3 na lang. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Ayun. Last 2 cards please. 9, 10. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Okay, sige. Aries, kompleto niyo yung 10 baraha. Huwag natin patagalin pa. Full. Okay, your opening card for this reading, Aries, is the Full card. So, don't worry, be happy. Okay. Ito ang pinapakita nitong unang baraha na ito. Why? So, cast all of your fears, tanggalin lahat ng mga doubts, pagdududa, takot, pag-aagam-agam sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon, Aries. Maybe you're questioning your worth, maybe you're questioning yourself. Tama pa ba? Nasa tamang landas ba ako? Darating pa ba itong mga bagay na antay ko? Just need to relax. Like this Full card, you just need to enjoy your moment as of now. Here comes the sun, my sun. So, sabihin, there's a bright future for you. Look at the background color, yellow is color of joy. So, as of now, just enjoy the moment. Go to the flow. Kasi kapag bawat araw ng buhay natin ay puno ng doubts at pagdududa, even though alam natin na matalino tayo, skillful tayo, and of course, we are manifesting for it. Actually, that serves as the blockage kung bakit hindi basta-basta dumadating. But, if you punuin mo ang iyong pag-iisip, ang iyong buhay araw-araw ng positibong pananaw, and you know that it will be coming on perfect timing, so talaga magtutuloy-tuloy yan. Okay, so as of now, be happy, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, be happy. Just enjoy the show, Aries. Okay? So, partnership, collaboration. So, Aries, expect in the coming days ahead na merong mga taong lalapit sa inyo, makikilala ka, na maaring makatulong or maaring mag-offer sa iyo. It can be a form of business partnership, it can be a form of siguro friendship ito or kung ano man, maaring mag-recommend sa iyo ng job, or it may be offer you something na about pagkakitaan, not only about business, maybe side hustle, part-time, o kung ano man yan. So, just need to be flexible. You need just to open your possibilities kasi titingnan mo, you need the discernment. Kung feeling mo ay maganda naman, why not? Okay? And at the same time, kasi dito naman yung Full card, so if you think that will make you comfortable or talagang happy also, then it's time to consider. But this card shows that there's an opportunities and options na parating sa isang mga darating na araw, Aries. Okay? So, we have here the 5 of Cups. So, may mga bumabagabag na mga bagay sa isipan mo. May mga gumugulo sa isipan mo nitong nakaraang araw at sa kasalukuyan, Aries. Okay? What is this thing na nagpapalungkot sa'yo because you're so sad here? Despite of all the things that you have, but still parang discontented ka, parang mayroon pa rin kulang, mayroon ka pa rin hinahanap. Okay, ang dami mo ng cups actually natumba siya because maybe na-collect mo siya, napatunayan siya, but Maybe you're thinking, hindi ito yung path na gusto ko. Hindi ito yung aligned ako dito. Hinahanap mo talaga kung saan ka, kumbaga, magiging masaya. Or, it's like, for example, a job that you're really aligned with. Pero, kumbaga, hinahanap mo. Siguro, gusto mo, Aris, yung klase ng buhay na kontrolado mo yung oras mo, yung parang wala kang boss. It's not, like that. So, that's why, parang there's discontentment here. Parang meron tayong nakikita hindi ka masaya dito. Okay? Tingnan natin. So, ayan. We have here the Five of Swords. So, maybe, nagkakos din yung discontentment or parang kalungkutan na nakita natin sa Five of Cups is related din dito sa Five of Swords. Maybe these people around you na yung pinakikisamahan mo pa rin or you go along with everyday but still ito na yung mga taong nagiging toxic, ito yung nagdadala ng blockages for you or maybe hindi maganda influensya nitong mga tao na to, that's why parang naliligaw ka ng landas, Aries. Okay, you know these people, and of course one thing that I can say to you, if you are brave enough or talagang kung kaya mo naman gawa ng paraan na lumayo na sa mga tao ito or cut off yung relationship or yung ties with these people if it's necessary, kasi nakikita mo nga na ito naman yung mga taong nagde-drain ng energy mo, kumbaga nagko-consume ng time mo, and of course parang hindi ka na nagiging productive, parang napapariwara ka, Aries. Of course you need to move away from these people, need to take away that swords na nagpapagulo sa isipan mo kasi baka lumala ang problema, and of course that will cause you more trouble. So here, you need to move away talaga kasi dito yung Ace of Wands. You need to make a move, Aries, na para mag-cut off, mag-burn ng bridges, even though it's friendship, even though matagal ang pinagsamahan. Hindi madali, yes. It is, I understand yun na hindi madali ang lahat. But if kakayanin one step at a time, take it slowly. Because kapag nagawa mo yan here, you are guaranteed by the universe with the Ace of Wands. So, new beginning, new chapter of life. There's a new door of opportunity that will be opening for you. Panibagong seed na itatanim that will blossom or that will grow. So, maybe this is the one that you've been waiting for. This is the one na align ka kung talagang ito talaga yung gustong-gusto mo or talagang gusto mong mangyari. But, you just need to make a bold step or a big move para mangyari ito. Kasi kapag hindi ito magbubukas para sa'yo, kapag nakita ni universe na hindi ka pa ready, if there's still sadness, if there's still discontentment, at the same time, yung mga tao nakapaligid sa'yo ay talagang toxic pa rin. Yung sitwasyon na kinabibilangan mo ay toxic. So, maybe the universe will tell that, hindi pa to ready. But if your life is ready already, ready na, puno na ng positivity, lumayo ka na sa mga toxic situation, then you will be surprised. These new doors of opportunities will be coming on your way. Okay, Aries, naintindihan? So, before we continue, kapag naka-resonate po kayo, don't forget to comment, like, share, click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's continue, Aries. Ayan, may celebration card. So, there will be big things ahead for you. Don't worry. Sabi ko nga, huwag kang mag-alala kasi guaranteed, may mga naipangako sa'yo. Kumbaga, hindi yan babaliin ng universe ng mga promises or hinanda sa'yo ng mga malaking bagay. Because here's the celebration card. You will be having a moment of life that you will be celebrating. It's because nga, may mga parating na mga blessings. Okay, with this Ace of Wands, these new opportunities that will arise, of course, we will make you celebrate kasi kumbaga ito na talaga, this is the moment na inaantay ko, ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ko, thank you universe, it's because dito mo ko dinala. Okay, but sa ulitin ko, you just need to make a move, ikaw mismo, you need to do your part, you need to finish the job, kung ano yung require ng universe sa'yo, sundin mo. Okay, kasi sasayang ka lang ng panahon. O if you're going still to be stuck in that situation, meron naman, magiging okay naman ang buhay ko in the future, enjoyin ko na muna to. No, sayang yung panahon. If you can do it now, why you're going to do it later or tomorrow? Okay, Aries, there's a celebration card here. You're guaranteed a beautiful life ahead, beautiful future, bountiful, prosperous. So, why you're going to waste your time? So, Queen of Cups, you need to be vigilant, you need to be observant also sa mga tao sa paligid. I-connect ko rin to dito sa Two of Cups na sinabi ko may mga partnership, yung mga taong darating para mag-offer sa'yo ng something. You need to also to test that kumbaga i-observe or gumawa ng research muna kasi baka mamaya it's all too good to be true, maganda ang balik but seems later baka mamaya mag-failed or baka mamaya may catch sa dulo. Okay? This Queen of Cups is requiring you or telling you that you need to be extra careful also. Huwag masyado magtiwala bago mag-jump in the conclusion, bago gumawa ng desisyon sa bagay na yan. Sa mga tao na yan na makikilala mo, of course, you need extensive research. Walang masama na alamin muna ang background ng mga tao, alamin muna yung background ng trabaho niya, ng business niya, kung ano ba, kung stable ba yan, o kung medyo maganda ba ang reputation niya. Kasi mahirap na. Okay? Lalo na kung pinaghirapan mo ay yung i-boost mo or invest mo dito at sa isang iglap ay mawala na. Of course, walang masama kung magsimula muli sa scratch but sayang yung mga bagay na naipon mo na or yung mga oras na nasayang dito. Okay? So, be vigilant, be observant, of course, do some research. Just this card. So, Aris, I can see her. Isa din, magkatapat niya sa Lito sa Cups. Siguro, isa din sa bumabagabag sa parang nagumugulo sa isipin mo. Something related with authority. Or maybe may mga bagay kang dinideal or parang inaayos sa mga papers about authority, maybe something sa korte, lupa, properties na parang gusto mong magkaroon na ng clearance o maliwanagan ang lahat. So that's why you are being anxious. So this Justice card, I can feel the energy na parang you are waiting for a result, something about na inaayos or parang pinag-uusapan, dinedebatehan, something sa barangay, sa sa court or whatever legal processes ang nakikita natin dito na that makes you anxious, that keeps you sleepless sa gabi. That's why you are, kumbaga, nag-worry ka sa magiging result nito. But sabi ko, since here ay andito yung Ace of Wands, but andito yung celebration, so don't worry Aries because good news, a positive result ay sa'yo papanik. Okay, kung ano man yan, tanggalin mo yung pag-iisip mo. Because of course, kailangan mo lang antayin ang magiging resulta but expect na ang resulta ay positibo at aayon sa'yo because here is the celebration card. So, mananalo kayo o sa'yo papabor ang magandang balita o magandang resulta. So, here we have the 8 of Wands. So, it will be fast. Sige sabihin, hindi na to magtatagal pa. Darating sa'yo ang resulta or yung kung ano man ang good news na darating sa magsusunod na araw. Hindi na to magtatagal pa. This will be very fast. This will be quick. Okay, mabilis ang pangyayari. Magiging mabilis ang lahat. And at the same time, dito sa 5 of Swords na sinasabi ko, kailangan mo layuan, kailangan mo nang tapusin, or kailangan mo nang gawa ng paraan kasi sa mga tao, pinakikisamahan mo sa araw-araw na nagkakos sa iyo ng toxicities and negativities. So, it requires you also na kailangan ng immediate action. So, hindi na patagalin to kasi baka mamaya maging complacent ka kahit sinasabi na sa'yo na gumawa ka na ng action, lumayo na sa kanila paunti-unti, but still parang hinahayaan mo pa rin itong mga tao na to na abusuhin ka or parang gamitin ka, sayangin yung oras at effort mo. Please, Aries, do it. Do an action, an immediate action, mabilisan. Okay? Then the last card, Aries, tapusin natin itong napakaganda mong reading with this Hermit card. So, Hermit card with Ace of Wands is a perfect combination. So, it means that a new chapter, a bright future, kasi ayan may ilaw. So, talagang, ito na talaga yung hinahanap mo. Ito na talaga yung gusto mo na ibibigay sa universe. Kung ano man to, bagong opportunities, bagong blessings that will be coming in your way, this is where you are aligned. Ito na talaga yung, kumbaga, dito ka magiging masaya, dito ka magiging productive, dito ka makikilala, Aries, and it will make you so happy. So ito, nahanap mo na siya. Look at this one because you've been searching for a long time for the path that na talagang gusto mong tahakin. But with this Hermit card, the universe is telling you that this is itong ibibigay niya, kumbaga, ito na talaga yung gusto mo. Align ka dito, ito ang gusto mo mangyari, ito ang gusto mong gawin. Okay, and with that, I hope and pray na maraming nasasay ng Aries sa makapanood ito ngayon. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading o nakarasunod kayo, don't hesitate to comment, like, share. Of course, kapag hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe po kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama sa akin ngayon. Hanggang sa susunod nating reading na pagsasamahan, nasa mga ngayon naroon, ano man po ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat po kayo lagi and God bless us all.